Today I work on 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the 6-cylinder. They got enough room in the front, so we can step in. I make sure you're going to step on the frame, both sides. Don't step on the light, so you're gonna break it. So this thing is a little hard headache. What I'm doing here is just replace the oil pressure sensor. It's a lot of work. So to be easy, what I'm doing on this side, on the back here, you have a 10mm bolt. They hang on the top to the throw body. They got two bolts, one on the side and one on the back. It's a little bit difficult to take this to back here because this line here, so you have to put the line on the side. And another one I saw, it's difficult too, because you got a 13mm on the bottom here, and they got a two hanger on this side, one on the front, one on the back. This the back here is the one, because the air compression line is go over there, so we have to ply it a little bit, ply on the side. I use this big ply, so I just ply it on the side a little bit, because you have some wash in the back, they hold the line, so you gotta ply it so you got a room to stick the 13mm, and then you stick the 13mm, you stick on the side, and then you can move the bracket and put the bracket on the side, both sides, so you easy to take the intake. The top of the intake, you just put it on the side. Now I'm gonna take the lower part. So you take all the bolt out. Make sure you're gonna clean all of, because if you have some dust here, they're gonna go through to the engine. So you got to use the compression before you take all of it. So you have to blow all the dust out. So when you remove this, remove the line, the gas line. So the gas line is easy. You have to pop this out and press this one, pull it and pull out. So now I'm able to remove the lower part. I'm gonna put it on the side and replace the sensor. I already have the new one. That's the part number PS401. That's how they look like. I tell you, I think it's gonna be easy to replace, but it's not. And the only tool you're gonna require, that's the sensor. I think this is to be 24mm socket to replace that. So you're gonna need a 13mm, 10mm extension, and an 8mm, and apply it to take that out. And you're gonna need this one to take out the clip. Just apply it to remove all the clip. So like this one, so I got to remove. So the most things you're gonna need is that. And then other things too. This one here, this bolt in the back here, is an 8mm. So I don't have no room to put the sock. So you need to rush 8mm to get in there. That was hard to take it out too. But I'm gonna show you when I'm taking it out and how this thing look like on the bottom. So I will remove it. It's the thing. This thing is nasty. So the sensor is right there, all the way in the knee. That was the sensor. So you got top, you got to press the top and pull so you can remove the connection. Thanks. So I'm gonna get this. So I don't know why they don't design this thing different, so you have a room to work in the back, because if you have a little bit space in the back there, so you're able to remove this thing on this side because you got a room here. But how they design this thing is weird. So let me take this thing out and I will show you. Okay, I already removed the sensor, replacing. This is the old one. It looked like somebody already replaced this. It don't look like the factory. So I put it the lower. Now I'm gonna connect to the light. Don't forget to connect to all the stuff, the line, everything. Don't let those go inside there. Just be careful on that. So I'm gonna continue to put everything together and I'll show you guys after that. And this car, before I raised the light, the checking light for the sensor, that's the only code they have, and it pop up the right way. So the sensor is bad. So I hopefully that's the only problem. And the time you're gonna take the sensor is a line there to the water line, go through the filter house, the oil filter house. So I don't remove that because I have to take all the drain out the cooler, everything. So I don't have enough room to take it out. So since the sensor is we don't need to tie this thing really well. So what I'm doing, I just use the plier to take it out. You're gonna see some mark here, so the mark with the plier. This sensor really bad because the wires go through this way. So you see it's all wet inside. So that's the reason this sensor is bad. There's a lot of wire on it. Let me throw this thing further. So now I'm gonna continue to work on it and I'll show you guys after. I'm done. So everything is spot. So now I'm just gonna put the top over and we done. So that's how you do the oil suit on 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Right, if you guys like it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. I hope the video helped you.